turn in our tags. Got fresh tags, got a new mission. Sabotage the fuel line.
Oh, you're lying?
Yep.
We return to the Zulu files and our fire team with their new objective. Their primary mission, sabotage the enemy fuel supply. Their secondary objective, infiltrate deep into the enemy stronghold and eliminate their commanding officer, Odin, the All-Father.
I found a way to sneak into Nexus. But if you want to go in guns blazing, I don't blame you. I want to kill them all.
Traversing further, Zulu crosses an ally looking for a lost grenade.
Gotcha.
The squad pushes on. Although making enemy contact, Zulu maintains stealth and continues around the patrol without engaging.
We made it to the Acer base. Looking for the fuel units to sabotage.
After traversing the battlefield, Zulu approaches the outer perimeter of the enemy base. Prepared for a possible ambush, our fire team approaches with caution. Enemy spotted. Time to do this by the numbers. As adrenaline levels rise, our ghillie uses logic to first assess the enemy's strength and positions. His nerves calm, hands ready for combat, spirit ready for war.
Contact. Contact ×2.
You get down here and see how much you like it. There's room for one more. It's a fucking party down here.
With the enemy numbers analyzed, our squad begin their insertion.
Watch my right side. I got 2 dead ahead.
Using larger trees to break line of sight, the ghillie shadow walks swiftly into a better position. Cheeky bush, saved your ass.
I got 2 dead ahead. One by that wooden pallet, one behind the tree to the right of that. You see his elbow poking out? There's another one by the wooden pallet.
Excellent.
After downing several enemies, Our marksman must use timing in his movements, as the enemy medic is nearby, and able to revive their wounded. Patience is critical. Misdirection, mandatory.
Yeah, they're on me.
Sucks to be them.
We're out of their range too. Let them waste bullets.
Knowing his loadout is superior in range, our ghillie taunts his prey. The enemy morale will begin to suffer.
You got eyes on them? Make sure they don't move. That's all right, I got eyes on 2.
Reinforcements.
We got them shook. That's the quartermaster. We're close to their base.
Our ghillie fires shots to determine his current effective range, before pushing forward.
Oh, that almost hit him. Keep pushing up, keep pushing. Shadow walk the trees.
Looks to me like you need all the help you can get.
A single shot to misdirect the enemy. Now, we move. The ghillie pauses his approach, disrupting the enemy's timing of his movements, and allowing his concealment system to function tactically.
They lost us.
Well done.
It's only 2 or 3 guarding the back of their base. We can do this.
There are no greater warriors anywhere.
Unleash the dogs of war. Using the deer paths, our ghillie quickly continues to flank the opposition. Fate is closing in. Target neutralized. After first checking his flanks, the ghillie moves in to confirm his kill.
Got tags. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Salty.
Hey, by the way. Bink.
Yep.
Man, come on! How could I resist that?
Super salty.
Outstanding.
Whoa, yeah, baby! This train runs on time!
Our ghillie sends the quartermaster running for even more reinforcements. And a rifle. Knocking the change out of them like sonic hot.
Hey, move up. Oh, I woke the hornet's nest.
The enemy attempt to encircle the ghillie, but his battlefield awareness remains clutch.
Tay, watch my left flank.
Need ammo.
Still in the fight.
Tactically using his cover, the ghillie peers through the cracks and tracks the enemy movements, unharmed. The battle intensifies.
Protect me, I got contact right.
Taking fire!
Contact up the hill, behind the tree. Watch my left flank, watch behind me. I got all black behind me.
Although his scope recording equipment begins to fail, the ghillie's resolve remains operational. Now in a tactical Kobayashi Maru, the ghillie is surrounded. The only way out is to fight. The Zulu medic is down. The ghillie must give him time to self-revive, and re-engage the enemy with the element of surprise. Our marksman keeps the enemy at bay, with well-placed suppressive shots in all directions. He now awaits his main quarry, Odin.
Night.
Dig in, baby. Going into overtime.
Odin, is that you? Odin's down! I'm good, I'll take it. I'll fucking take it. Odin's down, baby! Yeah! Oh shit. Yeah, tag, sorry. Oh.
You got lucky. I put my pistol on you, I was out of gas.
Whew. That was a hell of a fucking power play.
Yeah.
Great job, man.
Thank you. Good job.
I hope that shit was on camera.
Odin calls for assistance, but the enemy is still unaware the ghillie has his own spot, waiting in ambush, who is also a medic.
Medic! NATO medic! Whoa, whoa!
Take that bastard down! Good shot, brother. You
Yes,
got
sir.
me good. You got me right here, man. Nice.
Yes, sir.
There are no greater warriors anywhere.
You got him?
I don't know how many there are. Behind that big tree to your left.
Although the main objective of sabotage was not successful, the ghillie feels great satisfaction for fulfilling his secondary mission. The All-Father can and will fall.